Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can close or sell crypto on Etoro. So let's go and do that. Right here at the left side you will see these options that you have. So select here portfolio, and now you see here that I have some position opened up right over here. Now what I can do is, let's say I would like to close Ethereum. So it's really simple. Just hit this red button, close the position, or you can select here these three dots at the really right side. You have options to close. So if I click close, now here I can also select close specific position, or I just close the entire position. So I will do that, close all, and now I have closed my Ethereum position right here. Okay, so this is basically how you can close the position in Etoro. Now on mobile, it's the same process. You just need to click on your specific crypto, and it will open up you the option close like here, and that's basically it. Then you will see these amounts here in wallet, and yeah, that's how you do that. So I hope this video helped you out how to sell crypto on Etoro. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.